Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are just making an unboxing video of some pens that I just bought from China. So let's just check what they are. Lately in China there are being produced some interesting pens, and so let's see this new order what we have here. Okay, so we have one box, cartridge, a box of ink cartridges, interesting, and the empty box. So the ink cartridges are these. I never saw these ink cartridges. They are the brand is Moonman because the pens are Moonman pens. And here we have the package. So let's see what is inside. 1, 2 packages. They look alike. They are exactly the same kind of package. And there is no information on which pen there is inside each one. So let's open it, and here we have 2 pens. Let's see this one first. This is the Moonman 80S that I already reviewed a pen that is Moonman 80, which is a replica of the Parker 45, as you can see, but the regular Moonman has a metal cap. This one, the S, has a plastic cap and a cap band that the other one doesn't have. And here we have the pen, all black with this metal finish. And because I saw this one and another one, I couldn't help to order this one. It's to order, but somehow I'm ordering pens or hoarding pens. And this is the Moonman Mini, which is the exact same pen as the Moonman 80S, but smaller. This one is a replica also of Parker 45, but there wasn't any Parker 45 this size. So this is the pocket size Parker 45, as you can say. Very interesting, and I will review them both soon. I think this one came with ink cartridges because, yes, that's it. Because this one doesn't have room to fit a converter, and this one does. So because this one is shorter, it comes with included cartridges. So thank you for visiting us. If you are coming here for the first time, and if you like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, if you're a regular visitant but you don't if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe, because we are very glad to have you on our channel. So soon I will review both these pens. See you next time. Bye.